Hi, I'm Justin from Wagan Tech, and today we're going to take a look at our Solar LED Floodlight 800, item number 8588. This light is a smaller version of our new Solar LED Floodlight 1600, yet it still has all of the same features and is completely self-contained, solar-powered, weatherproof, and comes with a motion sensor. On the top, we have a 7-watt monocrystalline solar panel that can fully charge the internal lithium-ion battery in 6 hours under full sun. On the bottom, we have 40 LEDs mounted beneath a polycarbonate lens that provides 800 lumens of bright light at 6000 K color temperature. These LEDs are optimized for excellent light dispersion, and the reflector provides a broad spread of light to illuminate wide areas. The LED lights are powered by a 22.2 watt-hour lithium-ion battery that is capable of providing 3 full nights of light on a single charge. This light also has a 120-degree PIR or motion sensor that can detect motion from up to 26 feet away. The case is made out of a tough ABS plastic that is IP65 rated waterproof and built to withstand the elements. On the back, we have a simple mounting bracket that is adjustable for the optimal angle of your choosing. As for mounting options, you can either mount it to a wall or use the provided hardware to mount it to a pole. When in use, the light will remain at 20% brightness in standby mode. Once motion is detected, the light will ramp up to 100% brightness for 20 seconds. If there's no motion detected, the light will automatically turn off when it has been running for more than 5 hours or when the remaining battery is less than 30%. And then switches to motion sensor activation mode. And that's been our look at the Wagan Tech Solar LED Floodlight 800. Thanks for watching.